So good morning everybody, it's from Jayshree. I am going to take this types of supervised learning algorithms. Okay, this is what the type of supervised learning algorithm which we already seen in this previous slide, regression analysis, classification analysis. This we need to see regression analysis and classification algorithm. Regression analysis is a statistical method to model the relationship between the dependent and independent predictor variables with one or more independent variables. Classification algorithm is a supervised learning technique that is used to identify the category of new observations on the basis of training data. So this is for the types of regression analysis. Here linear regression and polynomial regression. In the linear regression, linear relationship between dependent and independent variables. That is what linear regression. And polynomial regression, non-linear relationship between dependent and independent variables. That is what polynomial regression. That is polynomial regression. So next one is what linear and polynomial graphical model. In the simple linear model, the expression is y is equal to b naught plus b1 into x. That is what simple linear model. Okay, from 0 to peak value, it is originated as straight line, and this linear values indicates that y is equal to b naught plus b1 of x. There is no power of x. Okay, that is what linear regression. Polynomial model. Here the expression is y is equal to b naught plus b1 x1 plus b2 x1 squared. Okay, so this polynomial model is the expression of x squared, x and constant value, whereas linear regression y is equal to b naught plus b1 x. Okay, so let us see what I mean by linear regression. So this linear regression algorithm shows here linear relationship between dependent variables and independent variables. Hence it is called linear regression. Since linear regression shows the linear relationship, which means it finds how the value of dependent variable is changing according to the value of independent variables. Okay, so this is what the dependent variable and the x-axis is what the independent variable. The data points are represented by the linear regression under this line. Okay, above this line are nothing but the data points. When linear regression, below the line is nothing but this line of regression, and above the points is nothing but the data points. Okay, so this is what the applications of linear regression. Number one, linearity. Linear relationship between y and each x. That is what linearity. Okay. Number two, homoscedasticity. That is what equal variance. We are giving this equal variance. In this green sign indicates it is the correct linearity. Okay, and x indicates it is wrong graphical representation. Okay, so if it is a homoscedasticity, it is represented by this diagram, whereas this one is the wrong diagram, which is indicated by the x. Next one, number 3, multivariate normality. Normality of error distribution is given by the peak value, that is 0, and peak value again come back to the 0 original position. That is what multivariate normality. If it is a wrong one, it is indicated by the double peak value and double 0. Okay. Next one, number 4, independence. This is what the independence of data. Observation include no autocorrelations. That is, here the data is independent of each other. Okay. Next one, lack of multicollinearity. x1 plus x2. This is what the correct representation, whereas x1 minus x2, that is approximate is equal to x2, is incorrect representation. Okay. Next one, the outlinear check. This is not an assumption but an extra. This tick indicates that the linear model, that is outlinear check, whereas this red color shows that if it is comes to like this, it means that danger. Okay, this is what the assumptions of linear regression. Whichever the tick marks come, it is a correct assumption. Wherever the place X comes, it is the wrong assumption. Okay, so thank you all. Let us see the next class.